everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ushabala. So today I create this messy makeup look. So let's get started into the video. First of all, I am using this Fair and Lovely fairness cream as a primer. Take a little bit of amount of fairness cream. Okay, now apply evenly on your face and neck. Okay, now I am using this white tone talcum powder on my face. So take a little bit amount of talcum powder, take a brush and apply evenly on your face and neck also. Okay, next I am using this kajal from Itex. I am applying this kajal for waterline of my eyes, upper line and lower line also. Okay, next I am using this eyebrow pencil from ADS. I have already thick eyebrows, so I applied gently. So this is my makeup look, guys. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. I put a bindi on my brows middle. This is size P5 from Itex company. So if you like this video, please like, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, never miss another update video. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel. Bye. Take care all of you. Keep smiling.